So, okay, guys, this is your guy, the cyber coach. Hope you're doing great. I thought it was important for me to just give you some step again about the Google Dorking, the power of Google Dorking. Guys, be careful on way that you will be using this information I'm giving you, because these are very dangerous information, because those who know how to use these, I'm telling you, you can get a lot and a lot of things from this. Okay, so there's one thing that I want you to do is to go to your Google. As you're going to your Google, and then you type Google hacking, as you can see here. Let me just delete it and then open this for you and see. You just come and then you type Google hacking. Okay, Google hacking is, let me say, is a kind of library of most of the different vulnerability that people found, hackers found, and they got it into that Google deep web, the web deep of the deep web, sorry, of the Google that they call exploit or Google hacking, because these are the different commands that when you use it, definitely you will find something very juicy. You understand? That's how a lot of hackers can actually get access of a lot of website without a deep work or a very hard effort. You understand? There are even some bug bunches that you can discover there. You can get the solution of vulnerability from this. Okay, so all depend on how you can use it. Okay, that's it. So you all you need to go is like, just as I told you, you click on Google Docking. So there's one thing that I want to use, like is Nasus, you understand? Because most of when I was an attacker, like on the other side, I always run on this kind of information. I run to go and see, oh man, what can, because Nasus is a kind of is a a vulnerability scanning tools that most of hackers are using also to automatically scan a website to get some juicy vulnerability, and from then know how to attack. You understand? To exploit this vulnerability. So Nessus, that's the crazy things with these tools, with this Google Docking, because some people when they do some vulnerability assessment, they just put it online or they just send it to somebody and all this stuff. You understand? And as they send it, or as they keep it somewhere, there are some caches that Google are actually catching it and keep it on a kind of a RAM memory or ROM memory. It depends. So as you are applying this research that I'm using now, I'm going to show you, you will definitely find a very interesting and this is it's very scary, guy. I don't advise you to use it, because if you use it, this is on your own risk. Okay, these are the different. I just type here Nasus, and then I came here. These are the different command that I can use. Okay, let me just copy the first one, the last one. Okay, I say, okay, please, I want this, and then I type. Okay, let me just type it, and then let's see the different information we can get. See. Okay, Nasus can report. Let me just check this, if maybe we can get something interesting from here. Okay, let's open it. At the same time, let me close some. Okay, okay, see, interesting, guys. Hmm. Okay, localhost. I think this is not a big information, but anyway, if this is a website that is actually interesting me, I can focus more on it and say, oh, okay, this how many hosts have been scanned? Only this, the local host. What is the different vulnerability, the critical vulnerability? You see, the FTP, the port 21 vulnerability here have been found. That's interesting, because me as an attacker, for example, knowing this, I can actually exploit it, because let me tell you guys, most of the time, most of this company, even after penetration testing, they don't follow what the report is actually telling them to do. Because when a hacker or when a pen tester is doing a vulnerability scanning, what he's doing is actually giving a report, this kind of report, and say, okay, man, that's what I found, and that's what has to fix, and that's how you can fix it. Okay, but in the real world scenario, most of the company, I'm telling the truth, most of the company, they don't give a fuck about it. Okay, they just say, okay, we understood, thank you for the service and all this stuff. So for an attacker, getting this kind of resources is a very, very crazy and scary and very juicy things. Okay, let me go another thing. Let's go to maybe this Angel 5. let's say Angel Fire, maybe we can get something here from Angel Fire. Okay. Okay. So you see, that's our target. See, Angel Fire, maybe the probably that's a company who made the report, made the penetration testing assessment. So the most interesting thing is like, see guys, can you see it? So see, this is our target. This is the target that they did, and they got like some critical information, critical vulnerability here. SSS port 22, port 21, the domain name on the port 53. My God, my God, my God. Wow, that's dangerous. Let me just run and go and take another. Let me say, okay, let me find it in PDF. Can I find anything from any report, vulnerability report in PDF? Let's say, okay. Oh, that's crazy. Let me just open this tool, and that's the guide, security assessment report from Microsoft or queryprot.cms. Let me say, so that's it. And you can actually concise or narrow your research depending on the country, you understand? So that's the, and you can get some report and some report, a lot of report depending on country, a contract or country, you understand? So, my God. So that's the company who made the penetration testing, and my God. So the company, they are, yani, table content, my God, my God. So they explain all the methodology that they use, and so the different scope, the timing. Yeah, that's the normal report. How a normal report is actually done. So my gosh. So as I told you, man, for an attacker, getting this kind of information is very dangerous. Honestly, he will start his attack from what your own company put it online. You understand? That's dangerous. I mean, like it's used showing like only with the brute force you can get access of this. Also using what the hell? Wow, 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 wow. So that's it. Let's say, well, let's see another one. Hmm. You see? I don't see that one now. I think we just passed. Okay, that's another one. Vulnerability assessment. Hmm. So guys, see that's how an attacker risk assessment 44 critical severity assessment 44. My God, somebody can just enter and then attack this company. Let me just close it. Okay, and let me take another. Let me just remove this. Take another. Let's see another command that we can. Let's see if we can get anything. Like, let me just take this. Oh, what? I'm just guessing. Like maybe we can get something more interesting. Let me just take this. If we can use this command and see which kind of juicy information we can get, that will be interesting. So different websites having this path index of, most of them are actually this kind of page who can have, let me say, password inside, username inside, you get what I'm saying? So that's the point. Let's see what you can get from. So, so as I told you guys, this Google stuff, you see guys, we have a configuration platform, an index one. Let's just open here and see. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What page is this? Let me just search if you can get like anything like a password. Password? No, we don't have password here. Do we have any username? Any username? Do you have any admin? So, Yani, I don't want to waste too much time on this. So this is how, if you guys want me to go and Just make like some more research. It's like this one looks like a school. See, and this thing you can still narrow the information, narrow the research. Like I can actually type and say, okay, please show me this information from website in India, okay? Any website with IND. If you can get any juicy information from website with IND, that will be interesting. Can you imagine? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So that's massive. I say, okay, no, I don't want from India. I want it from France, okay? .fr. FR, can you see? Index. Let's see, like, what is this? This, we have like an index page here. That's a kind of bash script, okay? You see, when you don't have any basic as a hacker on programming, how do you know that this is a bash? You understand? That's very important for you guys to. That's why when you follow my first video, I gave you guys the roadmap how to start a hacker's career. You understand? So that's it. Let's see these French things. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. A lot of things that I think we can just follow and see what is this. Sometimes can even get like, what the hell? Sometimes it can even be like password. Some passwords are embedded into yani into into images. You understand? So that's massive, guys. So I don't want us to spend too much time on this. Discovering these things is very interesting, but using them against the target, that's the most dangerous things. Unless you guys have a real contract with this company and authorization, okay? That's the thing. That's the short thing that I wanted to use to show you guys because we don't have too much time to spend here. So for the exercise, just go to Google hacking. You understand? Google hacking, and then try all the different commands that and start seeing. You can even use this to see if you can get. Let me just show you this one. If you can get like any website, sorry, any password, you understand, from website. Let me just narrow the information, narrow the research, and say, okay, show me website from. Let me see. Um, from Canada because I don't have any website in my name. Let me just put the area zone. You understand? The area zone of Canada. You put like dot site dot ca, and then it will show you the different. My gosh, website and platform who have this private key and you can actually log in indirect. That's okay. That's one is okay, guys. It's okay. Let me just close this and say, okay, bro and sister, brother and sister, it was nice for me to show you this, and please go and use it ethically for the good of your career as a cybersecurity expert or cybersecurity enthusiast. Or maybe it's just for your personal use as a researcher or everything. You can apply all this research docking, Google docking for your own, particularly for your own things, okay? For your work, for your job, all this stuff, okay? So thank you and see you tomorrow probably for Kali Linux commands mastering Kali learning Kali Linux, okay? Thank you and God bless you. Please, thank you if you are new in the channel, please subscribe to my channel, follow, like the video, leave a comment. Let me know if the video helped you or if you're learning something. Thank you guys and I appreciate it.